Kind of tipsy. Oh, fuck. Oh.
Rose. Wagwan. Found out from earlier. I saw that he was busy playing a match.
Good home. Good
You
home.
know, he just say he was in a live match when I click on something. So you are going with. Yes, smiles. I want to move over here, I tell you. What them over there, I tell you.
I'm just nice.
You've been drinking Dan Julio
I've been drinking vodka.
vodka. I feel like we need to start drinking something. We got rum? Yeah. Get some rum.
You're home?
Yeah.
Okay.
Swing by. now pull up on your foot, man.
When?
No, on the live.
Why?
I may have one in sir. Eh?
Why?
That should be a cool little move, but just pull up on your foot right now.
To do what exactly, Lincoln?
I just, what have I?
What kind of vibes?
Remember, we are friends, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, we are family. You know, love and my uncle.
We're friends and we're families, but
But what? Rosalie, man. So, Rose, maybe I chat you today, alright? And somebody tell me something, alright?
so
There, you used to sell stuff?
pussy.
No, not pussy, you might. Like buy and sell.
What pussy?
No!
Okay.
Like things like probably clothes or something you used to buy and sell.
I don't want to talk about that.
Okay. Alright. But may I come serve here still?
But then,
May I walk come up there right now?
come. Me away for you. What for you me away for you? Come now.
Yo, me do it now.
The man black, you can't do anything.
May I walk come up there?
Okay.
May I jump off my life and walk come up there right now?
Me away for you.
I will not do that. We probably gonna see. We would probably dip on FaceTime all after this right now. That me I tell you.
You choose money over me.
Nah. What are we do? But guess what? Sometimes you have to get to the bag. As a G, you have to get to the bag more while.
Anybody want to get to them bag, get to them bag. They don't have to do it with me.
You can remember, no? If you get to the bag and make sure you say, alright.
I don't know what argument in the man stay and I'm not bag on you about that. No.
So what's up?
Not a thing.
Alright, me I forward right now, yeah.
Me I go somewhere, me I go outside.
You see? You start changing your mouth now.
I go to the door, link and I go about my business. Me have things can do, you know.
You go out.
Yes, I have my options. I must go outside.
Alright, so me I pull up. Where at?
You can't buy.
Where I go?
Outside.
Mecca.
Probably be about 11 or 12.
Where's that?
I go somewhere.
Now forward, man. We're outside tonight. Don't dress up and have on my clothes already. Outside. Piece of bread for that night. You see me, that? Be a podcast sitting. Yeah. Rose, how you had to read comments?
Me? You don't read comments, sir. Me have no comment for reading. I'm just thinking.
Oh. Yeah, man, we can hold one piece of bread for night, man. Today away. Friday, Thursday night.
Yeah, I think I'm not going to have a party, but I'm still going to do me here.
I know tonight.
On Saturday.
You not link me. You not link me and remind me for the odds. Rain drop. Oh, go on. Why so serious? Bro, look like camera now.
What's up?
Look like camera a little bit, man.
Boa.
See, you get the text there, the text where I make you smile there. See, text them the way I make you smile no. Blood clot.
Jamaica, stop! Jamaica, stop! Well, shit.
So we're going to stay right there and not say nothing.
Exactly. Isn't it fun?
Right. It's amazing.
Yes.
I'm having so much fun. Oh, man.
Sure, don't be alright.
Rose, we're going to stay right there, so just so. Just so. Eh? Rose, stop. Say something. I press the button.
The whole out over here have money on the problem. And I play the match. The whole out hungry for money. And I play the match.
Georgie, you can't serious that.
God kill me for letting me tell.
Dog. Stop off of that, dog. Low that, dog. Low that. That's it, son.
Nebraska.
Judge, good. Yo, this is the strangest live me ever did on. Oh, you would know that.
Don't talk to you. Then somebody reply.
Somebody, I'm gonna see no comment.
Don't read no comment to me, Lincoln.
No, read no comment. Hey, Melissa, what's up? You range up at that go echo. You range up, are you would do me here? Jaja God. Rose, man, I lie that live yeah. Tense. Oh, that one is so tense.
Oh.
No, normally, me the pan live, we laugh and talk and all a vibe. But that one is just
Why?
the silence loud.
There's no silence. Sometimes in life, people pick money and I'm hungry. So we not argue. Yeah, so I'm not playing a match. Talk about my business. I look at something on Instagram.
I never say not go no much, you know. Yes, we're not playing a match. We're not playing a match. Don't say that. They say we're not playing a match. Yo, you're pussy. You're pussy. They say we're not playing a match. We're still right, that's how I'm going to look. Me will go and look for you.
Oh, you want to look at me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now go and look for you. Cause be things you are going with tonight. Taj, you know, say you with me upon life. When you have me head upon life, you say to me, say, you come on sometime and then you know, forward and back. Forward more often. Are you with me there, so right now?
What now, Cho?
Yo, yeah, corruption, you know? Yo, I like. Rosalie.
What?
Yo,
That's so cocky, man. So what?
you want a puppy?
No, I had a puppy already.
You had a puppy already?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What?
No, so somebody comment something about puppy.
Oh, I have a puppy already.
Oh, you have a puppy already? China, stop. Stop.
Rasta.
Raquel.
What one battle?
So,
With a boy, I'll leave back, Pixie, but strap up and I look.
it's the most tense live never that one. The live tense. Rose not that. Rose ain't in a mood.
What's up?
Can't suck with me, is about mommy.
Vodka make you vomit, you know. Vodka and dangerous, you know. Right.
No. Oh.
Life nice, Rosalind.
And
Jeez. It's beautiful, right? Amazing. You know, see me just realize they have a nose ring. Ah. Yeah, Rose. Question, how old are you?
32.
32. Yeah, I turn 33 next month.
Yes, the 12.
The 12th of next month. That is June. Right? So this would mean that you are Gemini.
Yes, that's what I am. That's what I am.
Oh,
Why?
my fucking word.
Have you ever been with a Gemini before? How old are you, Lincoln?
I am 30 enough.
Your current age? That can be a whole lot.
30 can be a whole lot.
Current age, your age.
I'm 38.
Ooh, you're cold.
Wrong.
And
Right. So with Gemini, right? I never been with a Gemini before, but one of my best friends are Gemini. Trackstar, right? And I watch how Trackstar operate. Maybe the Gemini man them operate different from Gemini woman, but Trackstar will meet somebody, right? And are into the person, right? Him just so into the person. Man. If him a bill already, the person have to dip on FaceTime while him a bill him ready.
yes,
If him a take the clear person dip on FaceTime with him into the person, right? And then one day me just get up and say, me not like that person here again. Him just change his mind.
because Chacha is crazy.
Trackstar is crazy. I wonder if it's a man Gemini thing, or you're like that. Are you like that?
Know me?
Yeah. You would just change your mind? See that?
Right.
Lick the nail on the head, man. You would just change your mind, your tongue.
Sometimes I would, sometimes I don't.
Eh?
Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't.
Right.
Depends. It depends. It depends on how far away am I and how deep am I.
Oh. Okay. But for me, Trackstar is a very good friend.
I know.
You get me? Like, I'm a dog.
I know.
You know? And we're friends for over 15 years, and we don't fall out, we don't have argument, we good. But when I see him and the people them girl pick me, I just be like, yeah, fuck one.
He did something.
So me is a cancer. Alright. So I'm gonna carry over here.
Because I
What?
so yeah, I know you, Lincoln. I realize what you are right now. I can tell you what you are.
Read Mama Rights.
You want me to tell you what you are?
Read Mama Rights.
So I don't want to do this here, you know. This is the media.
Jesus
I
Christ.
didn't respect my man, although we're not in together, but
Read Mama Rights. You know have to be.
you don't have me to tell you. I know what you are.
It's good or bad?
Like I don't like cancers.
You don't like cancers?
No.
Personally, I think cancers are good people.
I don't want to go well. I've dated a cancer once. Not really dating, but we were having a fling. It was a long fling. It was like 3 years. And but
Cancers are the best.
they're not.
Wow. Force me hear that. Force me hear that. I feel like people, somebody would have said that because them did love the cancer so much, but it didn't work out. You know what I'm saying? It just never worked in them favor.
That was a long time ago.
But the cancer was amazing. Cancer's passionate.
I don't want to. I'm not gonna. Well, from my experience, I don't want to talk about it.
Right.
But me like dog, so number one, so me never did I get the dog whole
Mean?
Like dog. Like dog.
No.
Like dog.
No.
Like don't say no mean like
No.
me like listen, me like dog. And if when I and a girl I link and she say fuck when already, sometimes when I hype up myself like when I have things, but deep down I know no one do it. But if she act up by herself, when ease her off and go and watch her, like watch her. If I look for she, let's go and do things some months and hype up on herself. But if it come down to the nitty-gritty and when I just say what I do, you hear color, you give her a breeze and then you call her back and say what I do.
Right.
So exactly. What do you mean like dog?
No, that part there wrong.
Move. Not even don't give her water.
Lie. Him not do that. Him probably never have it.
Oh, that we don't talk to you.
Well,
You know me like dog. Love God like you don't want people. Very jealous at the things them. I beat with a cancer, at them are the worst.
Jesus Christ.
I
Yo.
too much.
Alright, what you know, right? Some way you say, me understand. We will say, yo, me no want to talk to you. But then, we do want to talk to you.
Exactly. Nah. Exactly. That's what it is. He might was run behind him.
Yeah.
I'm a see it. He might was I tell me at the link, I'm gonna ask him. I know what to be. But talk to him about the 3 we are cancer. But can't stand him too much. He might was for run behind him, calling him phone. So make him feel like him at things. I say, what did that fucking boy, man? I let him like. So it's when me run him down and then I run him down to him. I start giving him that. When I see him, if I look on him, start the pan. So what I do?
Yeah, when I like that.
Exactly. And I tell me I don't mean. I'm gonna leave the mean pack, you know, I'm gonna talk it yourself.
No, because
I like
that's
that.
not true. That not true. That not true. That not
Don't
true.
give a water mean. Like that.
No. I'm actually too kind. Me give you everything.
It's all this way I do. You might always gonna laugh and you say, no, you're still gonna laugh. Nice people. But me I tell you, say, no, sir. You don't know one woman running down. Me don't have time for that.
Why you for run with dog? Run me dog. Yeah, if a girl I got there with me and need for put on your running shoes.
And then you not keep one woman. You don't have one yourself. You don't have one personal woman. You don't have one next year around this so. And you don't have one next year around this so. And you don't go back it up. And if the person woman asleep, you can't call her one day so. That's all you want to have it. It not work. So you can look everybody. But not by looking like say looking like words. But what look and smile and laugh with flirting.
Flirt, yeah.
Exactly. I've been with a cancer, I know what it is. Me want no more. Me not have time for that. It was an experience, man.
See your dog start cause your dog a cancer. No?
The dog talk too much. My dog is a Sagittarius. He was born in November.
Your dog a defend me. Your dog a say no, I lie. I tell.
Mr. Me don't talk to you. Run down every minute. Like I'm running down, call it. And then when I stop, you start the pan. Like you get 1 month tight and you know work out. I'm sorry, me call it for 1 month. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm leave you alone.
No, but let's run me down.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm correct.
I'm very, 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 very jealous. And if you beg some crutches tonight and don't get it, trust me, I say 3 months. What am I list?
Right.
For the one grind on and never get.
Right.
When I ask, I tell them, don't say right. That's what I'm telling you. That's what
Bumbuckler.
you know, sir.
I don't lie. I don't like my axe feet and you move like say rain. Nobody want it from you.
And the eye dry. When you see the cancer out with them man and still beg them some pussy. So honesty. Me not ask. So honesty.
Yeah, I dry for real.
I want to get to the vex. The months.
Supposed to.
But nevertheless.
But you're wishy-washy as a Gemini do. Geminis are wishy-washy. Rose gold, big up yourself.
Wishy-washy.
Yeah. 1 minute you know all into somebody and the next minute you know just corrupt. We're not good friends.
We're good everything.
No, good friends.
It's not two-faced. It's not two-faced. It's chaos.
It's chaos.
Yes, you have to feed our minds. You have to feed her mind. You have to feed her soul. You have to feed. It's like soul connect. 1 minute we're all in, and the next minute
Miss Vibes, big up.
it's just chaos. But anyway,
Somebody said Libra is weird, sad. You ever been with a Libra before?
why is it so?
My father was a Libra. My father was a Gialis and lion. Him bad.
And you're saying that because of what?
No, that somebody just thought about said Libra is weird, sad. But me I say my father, he was one Gialis in lie. He have 9 pitney, 8 baby mother. I don't think Libras is the best. I don't think so.
My mom is a Libra. I know Libra. My sister is a Libra. I know Librans.
So question, let me ask you about your mother and your sister, right? Mm-hmm. You feel like say them do whole heap of different things like them way I do that business yeah and start on other business and then work yes and them do this and them like them do multiple things.
We're not gonna discuss that.
I feel like the Libra them with me, you know. Them will work at Amazon, babysit on the side, sell flowers, and in a politics at the same time.
I don't know.
Yeah, no.
No.
No. You know me right.
I don't know nothing what you're talking about. Don't mix me up. I think liberals are great.
So, yeah, so we have it established, me a cancer. You have it for say me mean man, no.
Cancer, that's what cancer is. I'm not gonna say that I'll give a girl things, but you have to want her if you get girl get the things. I don't mean like that. But
Ding 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 ding. That.
But you have to want her if you get your things. You have to want a girl if she get the things, and at the point in time, you have to want something from her to give her something. So if you want something from a girl, we get anything. See that moment, the entire moment done, I just say it done. I've been with a cancer for 3 years. He was my side man.
No, you say something.
I know I don't like cancers.
Yo, alright, watch it. May I show you something, right? How you da feel, right? If you have your man, right? And you get to find out, say, I get some crutches from one girl out the road, and he might give her beer things. That better than the cheating. Right. So, we feel like there's nothing wrong with it. My woman, we get majority.
Yes, but if you want a girl out the road at the time, you want something from her, you will give her it, and when I get it, that's it.
Yeah, I said something, I can't deny that.
That's the truth. That's what I'm saying. I told you, I don't like cancers. I've been with one.
Yeah, I said something. But more to call that overall mean.
I did 3 years, and it was just cheating, but I did 3 years of it, and it was just cheating.
Because the cancer hard for left.
Yes, hard. It's like me can't get rid of him. He will hype up himself. Me will call him, me run him down. I'm gonna stop. Him come, wham, you know. He will do playful. He will do the thing. He will just come back right back in. Every time when me stop using him pull him, but I stop using him pull himself back in. I'm like, what the fuck? So cancer is play with my mind. It's like you want me this minute and you don't, and then you keep on playing this game. It's like you want me, you don't. You want me, you don't. You know.
Right.
He's a game player. I don't like cancers. I told you. Yeah. Believe me, man, I met him. I'm a side piece.
Yeah.
I want to carry those side piece very well. No load up nothing. No load up nothing. It's not a load up thing. You carry those side piece very, very, very spontaneously well. So you know some girl have our man and a side girl and you can do it very well. So you know some have a man, I mean the side thing, I'm say Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Nah, leave me alone.
Yeah.
Nah, avoid me. Him block me block him private call.
Yeah.
When I ring my phone, I'm a bed, my man, I ring my phone. Where them in bed, my man there. Me I will put you out the door. I say, all right then, I go try. And if I tell him say, my soon come and if at 3 o'clock, if I wait for me from 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and still I wait.
Yeah.
And I'm call him after 4:30. And I just go to my house now. I say, well, I'm outside now. I come now. Meet me. So on a stay. I don't like cancers. Damn. Because when I have something, all right, I tell you honestly. So if a girl want to, know, so a girl want to know, know, so I play upon it. That's cancers. I don't want more cancers.
Yo! Yo. Jaja God.
I want to have a woman, have a good, great woman. Wanna have. And I say, all right then. When I look on a woman, I know she got in her fucking bed. The next girl out the road, better call her. Having a baby man, having a baby man in the bed and can still come up for fear catches the next girl out the road. I saw no wicked. Like cancers.
Something alright. Something alright.
And I saw no having a woman on the bed, on the come out on the bed, the next girl out the road. Babes, my soul come here, I go down there, so and I want girl and I go to a saw no wicked.
Something alright.
And then, when I want to have a woman and I want to have them, I'm not tell them, say, you know, so I'm load up and come have a woman, but yet still, I don't want them walk away. And if I beg, and if I have a woman, I don't want them walk away, and then them have them man, and then if I beg them some crutches, pan the particular night, I know them have them man, and if them tell you no, carry all 2 months water.
Yeah, my vex.
Malice.
When I want it, I know.
Exactly. Malice. I mean malice. It has to be no. If
No.
it's tomorrow, you're vexed. But vexed
Yeah.
from today. So if you gonna get it tomorrow, you don't bother want it and you're serious.
Yes. Brianna, big up. Serious. Me never want it. Keep it. Tonight.
Exactly.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
And tomorrow, if it's not tonight, and the girl said tomorrow,
Corrupt. Mind change.
you know.
I'm not in that mood tomorrow.
Exactly. Are you serious about it?
Right.
And if she even try, and if she even try give you attitude and you not even answer,
Now take it.
and then a 2 week malice 3 all a month malice
Yes.
to the 1 grand one never get.
That is true.
No, ask no. But I tell you no.
That
No,
is
after link up, me I tell you. My ex man was my ex. My side banger was a cancer. Remember one night me and my man got make her. And him tell me say him see me a Burger King pocket like I tell me say. So no, my mom make me go ray. I say bright to you, see my mama you out that's so awesome. Feel see so. The boy don't talk to me for 2 weeks.
Corrupt.
1 month I leading and no talking. I'm at no. I say already.
I'm gonna open my message them and make a system see it.
Appear what?
But me nah-
Scene.
Yes.
Appear scene.
Yes.
Never see one boy can live upon scene. So me say.
Scene. I don't like.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Me say the boy live upon scene about 300 times. Scene. Me text again. Scene.
Acho.
Text again. Scene.
Nah,
Appear
answer.
scene. Answer
Yeah.
what?
Right. Right.
I only the only time I say vex for long.
Long. I don't lie. You can't do enough creep and then feel like say tonight we're gonna have makeups. That not happen. If anything go on today when me not like try to see me I carry it all.
I know me not like with cancer, I don't really want a body, no, but I not let them go. Cause I don't have uno want already. But I still not let go the blood clot other one them where we not having another line, we not let them go. So I feel like say I'm a woman, but them a girl, I not let them go. If I 2 girl, I not let go them 2 girl.
Alright, you wanna know. You go too deep in it now.
So it's not like we don't have a personal woman and have a 3 girl, I bang and we not let them go.
No, you go too far in it.
That is the truth, Lincoln. We don't have a personal woman and have 3 girl, I bang and not let them go. Cause that man did have a personal woman and have me, one next girl, and them not let go the 3 away. if everybody know they one of them, you have to love him.
Right.
You know, as honesty and jealousy to the neck.
All right. So let's stop talking about cancer now.
Stop talking about you.
We could talk about one different sign or something now. Because you go too deep nice science.
That's
now.
you.
Start to feel emotional.
Yeah, feel emotional. You want to have one woman, you want to have your good woman and have 3 girls around that you want to say, alright, then you can bang your woman and send her in and then have your woman and then the other girl, just 3 side girls, I forget bang equally, you know. Get them can't left you. Because as one confess enough to you, and I told them I draw away, draw them in back. So I said, come here, stay right there. So, all on my thing. That girl.
Stop now. Them say they want to talk about Scorpio or something. Talk about other
Well,
signs.
Scorpios. I've never been with a Scorpios.
Okay.
I never been with a Scorpio. I think that Scorpio people are evil. And they're crazy. I never been with a Scorpio.
Right.
I never been with a Scorpio, and I've dated Capricorns. Worst ever. Mankind. Rubbish.
Capricorn.
Be to my light dog.
Capricorn which month?
January. It's from December 21st to January 21st. It's kept beat to my light dog. Jealous, yeah? The beat out your blood clot. Beat.
You don't feel like say them people, them January people, you don't feel like say them mean. Feel like them make you prayers.
Well, I've been with 2 Capricorns. My first one, him beat me like, boy, I'm gonna do that. Them are loving but them crazy. But them like beat to my like, them just jealous. But them just beat you. No one more Capricorn. Face a Capricorn.
Damn.
Narcissistic, bad.
Wicked.
Yes, so you're born Capricorn. Hello, that I don't even want you to call my phone. Can't jealous, bad. Everything is a jealousy.
Jeez. Well. I did Scorpio before.
I've never dated a Scorpio. Well, Scorpio. December sign is which one?
December Sag.
I like Sagittarius. They're cool. Yeah, I can go. I would definitely go with a Sagittarius. That the vibes is like an aura. And you have an essence, and you have something that all right, let me tell you about a Gemini. A Gemini, it's connection. You have to keep me connected. You have to keep my mind going. You have to keep me active. Once that disappear, the relationship dies.
Somebody says Sag and Gemini are good match.
Once that stop I like, you know, I'm nice. You connect with me. We'll be like conversation after conversation after conversation, and you will blow my mind. You will blow my interest. Yes, a Cancer has that too. A Cancer has that, but the one being a thing me now go deal with. It think my want more. You know, give woman again. A Cancer has that.
Yeah, I know.
People want to be friend being on too much. Me can't bother. But a Cancer has that, but no one woman friend be on. Sagittarius is you got a link. Libra has it also. Yes, you have it. You have it also. It's a connect. It's a vibes. You have it. It's there.
Right.
So it's for Gemini. It's match energy. Remember, Libra is 2 scale. Remember, on Cancer pit at trouble no walk sideways and pinch people.
Right. Right.
Capricorn them are wicked. Pisces for me. Pisces no. Aries for me.
Hold on, I'm gonna put somebody on blast real quick. Somebody there right there said they've never been with a Cancer before. But she been with me before. So me a what? Who load you? Anyway.
Who's that? Who's that?
What?
I never been with a Cancer before.
Eh?
I?
No, one girl in my comments over here so says she never been with a Cancer before. But we just have to
miss run from them. I went on wire them now. Let you go.
She been with me before.
I went run. Lady run. Run. I went them now wire them now. Let you go. Run. Them don't wire and them now let you go. Yeah, them know them now wire. But them now let you go. From them have the solid proof, cause them use them brain, you know. From them have the solid proof, so you want them and you can always want them. There's no turning back. So them not want you know, but then you can't let go. And them know what you know, them that girl want me. Alright, look at girl. What you do tonight? Like, me can't come in, okay. Bench yard 2 week, 1 week, month.
Yo, me don't want nobody when don't want me.
That is it.
You have to want me.
Exactly. You're
You
crazy.
have to mad over me.
Exactly. Me not
Fool to me.
Me not me.
If you're not fool to me, me not like you.
Lincoln, we don't talk to you. Do you have to say
You are big Yamed for me. Love me. Bad.
Lincoln, you not talk to nobody when you want uno.
True.
That's what he told me. Mr. Jones, me not talk to no girl when you want me. Any girl when you talk to them, I feel want me.
Want me bad.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anybody will give me nonchalant vibe like say you kinda want me or you're not sure. My God. Mad over me.
That's what he told me. Him say any girl when deal with them, I feel want them. So
Right.
I say, I'm say yeah, any girl at all yes me deal with them, I feel want me.
Yeah. Right.
So when I see me I deal with them want me. So I say, oh. If they go in another race, that means I feel want you for in another race.
Yes.
You don't want him, I don't want him no more.
You have to have on your running shoes.
I know, I realize. I don't want him no more.
Right. Right. Yeah, alright.
About years ago.
So you say you're not gonna go out? 11 o'clock now.
It's not 11. I go outside, of course.
More vodka.
I go about my business. Why?
Me just ask you your business. Me just want to know your business.
You can't ask me my business. I'm Lincoln, because me no want no cancer, man.
No,
Me no want no cancer, man. So you can't ask me no.
no so. No so.
I go about my business.
Me ask you your business as your bro.
Yeah, me no want, me can't bother. Me just got chill.
Right.
We're just friends.
Right. I saw me ask you your business. Where you going?
Well, I'm gonna buy something to eat.
Right. See, like how you say cancer man mean me, I come buy the food for you eat. What you want for eat?
But that's sorry for me. Cause you're not gonna use it and fuck me. You wanna go to work. Sorry. Nobody buy meat. No hungry.
You ever hear about the 3 F's?
Me know it go. Me know how no go to work. Nobody start. Me can buy my own food. Thank you.
Friend them, feed them.
Lincoln. Lincoln is a well experienced girl, you know.
Man. You know a road?
Yeah. Me know it. Some of
Yes.
us stupid.
Yeah. And we can't use the 3 F's and trick you.
No. My tree if them a fuck fight or funeral.
Oh. So you want different.
Them a fuck them.
Oh, you want different F.
Yeah, fuck fight or funeral.
Ah.
That's my 3F.
Okay.
That's what it is for me.
Sounds dangerous.
It is.
Yeah. So
Yes. Yes, Lincoln. Lincoln, I play dangerous games with men.
Right. Right.
And if it's not dangerous, I ain't playing it.
Right. So what would be your ideal sign? Which sign man you like?
Me?
Yeah.
With ideal sign man me like?
Yeah. Which sign? Which zodiac sign man you prefer?
Well, Capricorn out tight. Cancer out tight. Virgo. Virgo people them can't work, but sometimes they piss me off.
You see that? I'm glad you said that, right? Watch out.
Virgo can't work, but sometimes they piss me the fuck off.
It's alright, cool. Alright, continue. Go on.
I don't remember what sign February people is.
Aries. Yeah, Aries, right?
No, it's not. It's not. I think that I don't think.
Aquarius. Them wishy-washy bad. See
Yeah.
them? I Sag you like, man.
I think Sagittarius is a great sign, and Libra is not bad also. Because Libra always runs from the confrontation. They runs, you know. When it's an argument, they run. They disappear. They stay away. When they cool down, they come back and pretend that nothing happened. That's a Libra. That's our Libras.
So you
Sagittarius will keep their distance for a break, a long break, and you can call, you can text, no answer if they're really, 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 really upset.
So your pick is between Libra and Sag.
I never did my sign.
Right.
I think it would be chaos against chaos.
I date my sign multiple times, and I feel like
You're challenging yourself.
but
So you got to be running down somebody that you want to be challenging yourself.
all right, watch you know. That's the problem.
Because that's crazy.
Because
It is.
Cause she not gonna run me down.
Exactly, because you want the same thing.
I'm not gonna run her down.
They don't want the same thing. It's crazy. So I will never date a Gemini because chaos cannot mix with chaos because I want chaos.
Right,
I want soul connect.
right,
I want the conversation not to be boring.
right.
You have to blow my mind. So I want the same thing that you want. Because okay, for instance, if I go outside and I meet somebody and they be talking to me, and you'll be talking, I'll be like, okay, you see me smiling. Somewhere you said something and it's just off, and I'm like, oh, that's just me. That's not soul connect. It's not connected.
Right.
You have to keep on blowing my mind.
So for me, right, everything with a cancer girl, great, except that.
What?
She not gonna run me down. Run me down. That a problem.
He wants the same thing.
Right. But everything else me like with a cancer girl.
Imagine chaos meet chaos.
Right. Yeah, you get chaos vibes for real.
I am.
Chaos.
Yes, just meet it. It's me. Yeah. It's not toxic, it's chaos.
Lava just sent me a request. Accept it.
Yes, exactly.
Accept the request from Lava. Huh?
Yep.
Oh.
Yo, on a serious note, I don't know where you're up to as a little boy. Like, you know where you feel wilding, bro?
Sure.
And
Why you not
where's
like
Entourage?
Me and him on the phone
Nah, look,
earlier.
Lincoln, me nah, where the
So where listen, Rose.
Nah, look, Lincoln, where the
So no over here for so long to talk about.
a lot of stuffs.
Rose, no bother with it, you know. All right then. Cause you just make the whole public know. If me even here mix up, me cut you off for life. Me cut you off for good. Me not ask you.
And I will
All right. Come actually warn you.
I will never ever draw that line.
All right.
Father and daughter and
That's all. That's all I want to know. That's all I want to know.
never.
Lava, you always sign again.
Me a Capricorn.
Capricorn.
Yeah. January 15th.
Oh my God.
Mean man.
Nope. Let me tell you what Lava is.
Yeah.
Lava is nice.
Yeah.
He's kind-hearted.
True.
Woman, he will do things to him, woman.
True. You know.
Yes, he will do things to him, woman. But Lava beat woman. Lava jealous like dog.
Jealous as fuck. Pussy watcher.
If Lava's catching woman is a chat to you for long, problem.
No, I know it have to be.
No, Lincoln, it's true.
No, you can't just link on it. Come on, yeah, madman. It's like you gotta have certain friends that say, nah man, a friend now go pass in place. It's like you have to double check Lincoln.
No, I want to tell enough says I have a friend and I go pass in place. If you see them more than one time,
Hey friend.
your suspicion arouse. The check phone.
So when over here talk about like
Signs.
So when over here signs. Oh, okay. Periscope. Okay.
Capricorn is nice.
Nice people.
Nice, they're nice. I'm not gonna lie, they're nice.
Lava, lie, and
Very
mix.
bitter. You know, I'm conniving and wicked.
Yes.
Joy, big up yourself.
But they're nice.
Oh, yeah, we are nice people.
Him cool still.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
But beat woman like dog, jealous.
Okay.
And Lava is a penny pincher.
God.
Explain the penny pincher then.
Him.
Explain that.
Lava don't listen to him. Lincoln would give him good woman him money, and the one when him have a grind, him give them when him feel like when he want some fuck on him at that night.
Yeah.
That mean Capricorn
Yep, let me fix that something.
dancer mean him move. And they want man to run them down. Move.
Woman for fit. And can run me down.
Move.
I want to hear Kai July, alive. Woman for fit. You don't want no woman with asthmatic. Asthmatic are the word I look for. Because if you can run me down.
I question now. I have a question for ask. Why is it you're some female, you're not involved, but then quick for call you mean? Me supposed to mean to you, you're not my woman, me not fuck you.
Lava. Capricorn don't give woman unless them a fuck them. Some of them
No, yes, but
Hey, Capricorn no give woman nothing unless them a grind.
Okay, I agree, but what?
Listen, Lava. Nobody leave
Alright,
that
talk.
topic there.
All right.
Leave it, father. Capricorn,
Yes.
anytime a Capricorn get woman something ever even $5, him and a half fee.
Yes, but now knock your rose. But listen what I'm saying to you. But you have a next to woman, you're not involved, but quick to say you mean. You're supposed to mean to you.
You're supposed to kind to you. I don't know you.
You give some. You give man things when you look fuck for them for the one night. You see, listen. You see him. He said 2 nights he want some fuck for you. You get the world try hard every blood clot you want in the beach.
Okay.
Too
Me not say
hard.
nay.
Yeah, me need it today.
Exactly. And if he want some grind for you, you could have walk out of Burger King. You can buy it.
Yes.
KFC can buy it. Liquor buy it.
Yes.
So
Okay.
you get the grind tonight. Trust me, tomorrow you don't call my beg, but you want soap.
We pay for something. Well, all right. Exchange.
But don't do my rounds.
Exactly.
And the next thing is some female, the man who dig out them inside, them not say mean, and him not give them nothing. It fucked up.
Mix.
Like me I tell Steve.
It is.
Yeah. I don't lie.
See, his name
Okay.
is Steve.
Yeah, Steve Williams.
Oh my God. Where's Entourage?
Entourage on the phone, him with over there chat people. I can't bother it no more. Them just a chat people. I mean somebody name come. I tell him say, yo, I can't bother with this.
The man lie. Yo, nobody in a chat people more than Lava.
Alright, watch them. I'm gonna show you something. Let's see if them still up. Them still up alive.
Some more than Capricorn.
Them still up alive.
Lava said,
Look here. See there? I'm have to press join. You see it?
Alright, giant it, make we hear who them a chat.
No, I can't do it. I'm not gonna do that. I can't just join it and say, Entourage was call you. I can't do it.
Wait.
Oh, yeah, I not do that.
Rose. Lava never call you and just randomly a chat people yet.
Steve had the worst of blood clot.
But you call me and chat people all the while for nothing.
But I never do Rose that, never.
Or me you call and chat people.
Yeah, cause you're that type of person. Let me tell you.
Mix up for two of them, they know them.
Good night, Luxal. I Nell. I Mandy.
Talk to one Capricorn,
Vibes, big up.
one cancer boy. You might chat me all with him next girl. Chat the girl, let's see. Wicked.
Jesus, please.
That's him. My mom and I he would chat me to with people. And then
Yes.
somebody tell me, say, him tell him all of my business. Me say everything, me man say everything. Me say, Lord God. Lord, the business.
And Rose, the next thing to give her understand, 4 different female tell me this. 4 different female tell me this. They meet Lincoln, each of them say Lincoln tell them say him single. Why you do that?
No, I'm not gonna tell him say I'm single, you know. Probably
Him tell them say him single.
You have him woman.
You're single, but you can't answer your phone certain time.
Exactly. You have them woman.
Yeah, but bro, you meet somebody, just tell them the truth, bro.
No, them not telling me the truth.
Lincoln, you need to stop.
When you meet them and them have woman, them not telling the truth. You have to find out to them have woman.
Lincoln is like that. You need to stop it.
Then
Big
him
man.
not tell the same have woman. You have to find out to them have them woman. Hello? I'm up on live with Lava and Steve Williams. Come.
Oh, the fuck?
Come.
Yogi. What
kind of foolishness? Come now, Entourage. Steve, behave.
All right.
Okay, he said it's coming. Steve, behave. Okay.
Listen, Rose, before this.
Not your mom, tell her to behave yourself.
Yo.
Yeah, man.
Yo, hold on. Before this thing I go too far, the dog named Steve Williams.
Hey, number we know you're simulating. Go on the commercial break. People, next month a boy on. But they are Jamaica for my picnic birthday celebration, June 26th. You understand me? The book feet, so I'm going to defeat.
I look out
Book
feet.
feet, so I'm going to defeat. So look out
I
feet.
look
So,
out. Hey,
so
look
you want to
at
get
my
them pre-sold ticket yet? Go get you a ticket. Yeah. Someone over here asks are where?
Julius, please.
Julius Place. Want to hear that now?
Avenue.
Okay. Chelsea Avenue.
I
All
want.
right.
So we,
Don't go get you a ticket.
you know you.
Yeah. I say Peter reach over here so that the phone conversation finish now.
You ever come with us, call him and him hang up?
Yeah, Pete reach over here. You know who named Pete right, Lincoln?
No.
Purpose Star, Pete name.
Call him,
Steve, yeah.
Stevie. But him no lava, him want me come at me yard. Come drink Danula and do live stream with him.
Don't go in.
Me have a picture. We live somewhere.
Don't go over there, sir.
Like that.
Lava.
Yeah.
Him no lava. Lava is a link at him for Papa Show.
What?
Yeah, Lincoln takes me one Saturday 4 o'clock. Rose.
Well, 4 when? 4 like what time?
Other day, 4 o'clock of the day. Rose. So the Danula date. What is
You see for no reason, say the man rushing for no reason, alright.
Oh, go on.
Him no lava.
Yeah.
Him no.
Yeah.
Rose. Me say, him no text me Rose. Me say what? So the Danula date still on. Me say Lincoln, I soon talk to you.
No, man, if stop. Lincoln, alright, I said to you. Why should I come in your yard to have a drink?
Exactly. In your house.
And what a place name where you talk about
Jollies.
the Jonah Jollies. Why you can't grow in the Jollies?
Me not go around there alone neither. Everybody
All the jollies are public setting.
No, if you
We shall not go in there neither.
alone, that's what them brain think. Until them get them for crawl our feet.
So wait there, so after the live, what do you ask back for the liquor date?
No, you can't ask because him know me in a one serious relationship.
Drop a bomb. And look at boy serious in the Jesus Christ.
So him can't ask me
Man, what
nothing. Because me know that take peace now. Me nah ask, I know them. Me know they kept the cancer them still move.
When I said peace of what?
Move that picture out of my sight. Me not like it. Me look like a young boy that somebody who me love. Put up something different.
Rose, yes, I my picture to me young guy.
Say move it.
Angela, make a big sad of my Angela, change the picture, Angela.
So Lincoln, what you not talk about?
Hey, over not tap up my screen, man. Come on, tap up my screen, man. On the top of the screen, come on. Tap up the screen. Share up the live.
How am gonna picture the lava?
I saw him saying I have everybody picture on your phone. How much picture I have in Lincoln?
Yeah, put up one. Can you put up one with Steve?
Yeah, me have that too. You have that too. Yo, all
Put it up, let me see it.
So Lincoln, there go on, G.
Let's call him Steve.
Oh, Steve, sorry.
Yeah.
User, big up, you know.
Yo, cut the fuck with them, man.
Yeah, I see my side, I tap up the screen. On the top of the screen, I have 170 people over here. On the top of the screen, man, come on, man, tap up the screen. I wanna follow the page. No, please and thanks, and please. Rascal, Lincoln, watch ya.
Oh, but I take down your picture, man. But look for Lincoln picture. Alright, yo, I make that one, I go on rock. Alright, that one is cool.
Right.
Is him pants so tight?
Him that, man.
No, so we used to beat it back in there. So now go on over here now.
Antoine, what month you born?
August. Rusty.
I say.
Which day in August you born Antaquare?
I'm a Virgo.
You can't call him an Antaquary.
Born the 17th of August. DJ Black Boy, what going? The 17th of August.
Leave Entourage alone.
Okay. Alright.
But you woman, him a text them phone, you know. Warrior.
Antaquare what? Leo? Yeah, I'm a Leo.
Yeah.
Leo bossy, you know. When them have money, them bossy.
Yeah, the cancer them too. Look on you.
Yo, Paro Kid, big up in a Paro.
What man named Perky?
Paro Kid, Paro.
Oh, I think it's a Perky.
Look for the picture Entourage. Always want to see it.
You want to see a picture for you?
Yes.
Yo, Rose, low that now?
Move.
Yo, she think, yo, the boy Lincoln thinks say forget about that, you know. Hold on.
Man, I go find some fucker picture. The brother, I see if everybody picture and I'm phone.
Everybody picture like a waste man.
Man, I don't fucker picture with Lincoln for you.
Lincoln is a cancer, him is a cancer, yeah.
Him not go want to know nobody ask. You have to go run him down like dog every day, every minute.
Every day call on my phone, text me down. Sometimes I answer, but still call.
Yep.
Yeah.
So you want to feel important.
I even know when they call me and I complain.
Right. Call up and say, why Steve not pick up him phone?
The importance of you.
Yeah, and then me I say, me I call him to him now answer.
Yeah. Important. They want to feel, you know, like my things.
Yeah. So ladies, you know, and that's when it comes to, you know, the guy code them, you know, street code the man them, we know them look or something there.
Oh God.
Me I call him to him now answer, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Him not use me either.
But it was a long time no over here chat still, you know.
Eh?
So you not like that, Lava?
Nah, you're not supposed to wait too long with Lincoln, man.
Well, I'm over here talking to you.
You're over here with Lincoln more than half an hour.
Yes, that's true.
All right then.
Wow.
So what we are friend?
Nah, man, post that on.
Remember that picture, yeah? The G that to do. Alright, which other will look more bossy? Look what the man shoes
must
go
see-
right up to it.
Oh, wait.
Hey, man, you see, and the man, I rose right at the man with the door and strain.
Eh?
Yes,
The
man,
rules
about
wise.
door straight. Man, you can't just behave yourself, brother. Fuck you talk about door straight. That when it just wrap up.
Okay, sorry.
So, I'm not click away like long sitting there.
In a Gucci.
That is a gold.
Gucci.
Them time of them something that weird.
Yeah.
So why you choose that picture, the Entourage?
Cause
Yeah.
So quick,
And I
can't go.
post what you see.
It can't box can't change like that. Through the 4-way over there.
You choose
not
that for
done
people.
Suko.
Pumbo cloud.
So, hey, Suko, hey, Rose, you can't tell Suko to start him live one day and just talk for 10 minutes.
Him no want to do that. Him a boss man a cigar, him smoking a party and shake him head say, you know, the
And then the
man.
man will think after.
Yeah,
And tell the man more not stink my youth.
What do you mean? After him saw the cigar them, what do you think?
Trying to start friends like these, bro.
You don't know more picture. You don't know more picture with Lincoln.
Steve.
And then I'm next phone.
Easy.
And then I'm next phone. Send me.
Yeah, Shea, Mandy, Diana saying on top of the screen. Come on. Logs on top of the screen. Everybody top of the screen. We could go 10 toes the tops. Hurry up.
Bomb final one. Look one you know.
Oh boy. Lincoln are fretted.
No, I don't know. Me tell you, say me don't have no fucker picture with Lincoln, bro.
That is one.
No, no fucker picture this. I did. Put up on a rooftop. One you know.
I said picture come on.
See that? Remember that here? Which part that?
I be a good picture me have out there.
Remember, say he said he and that's what he said.
Just let me don't have no fucker picture.
Exactly. So
I which country that we did the Entourage?
The same country lava say kick me out of a music video.
DR.
And I said, me say, We see saying kick you out of the music video.
You never kicked me out of the music.
Yes, you did.
Listen, Entourage, buy some pussy the day before.
I
Right.
did not. Yo, what are you saying, bro? I did not.
Steve.
So Entourage buy them something there?
Come on.
Never.
Yeah, yes. Anybody link with
The
Lincoln?
other day upon live.
Anybody link with Lincoln do them something there?
What?
No.
Anybody link with Lincoln do them something there?
Brother, stop
Yeah.
that.
Let me tell you.
One nice picture come up, you know.
Well,
Rose,
Steve.
Rose, look on that one there.
Oh, whoa, it's an AI.
AI, and an AI that. And an AI that.
Salamite, this is my youth.
That you call yourself?
Tea, they will come here and say good night tea. As you come here to start, you just, damn, bro. Damn.
Yeah, man, I saw it go, man. Time did hard, you know.
Brother,
Rose, that time there,
make a patrol that in the head right there, so no.
Rose, them time, me a scrape a beer from it there, Rose. I'm gonna snap it. So him fix up the picture.
Me never fix up nothing. I
Yeah, right, man.
screenshot it.
I tell you what I say.
Brother,
Watch Diana, really Diana?
man look like an alien. They are among us.
Yeah, when over here, I just start my life to chat to Rose and Lincoln and Lava. When I can tap the screen to here, say I got 5K at least.
Yeah, man, come people over here, man. Who over Rose Live, come over here, come tap up my screen real quick and go over back. Yeah. I wanna follow my page right now.
Exactly.
Yeah. Remember June 26th. Lincoln, you ready?
Yeah, man.
After already, no, after no, I'm rubbing out.
Entourage.
I got 20.
Yo,
Rose, better ask Entourage, you know.
yo, why this cut off your face, dog? Bumbox, lad.
Nigga, man.
Who that? Me that?
Me.
No,
Lava that.
I love that, but it cut off him face.
Lava, somebody say I broke buckle them use and scrape it in the last week.
And me, well, I made it myself. That's from COVID, you know.
You wicked
Yeah,
to yourself.
go for
Humble, Entourage, the picture might be, now go show full.
Yeah, cause the screen small.
So you rest your head on lava chest, so.
Nah, man, that's man sitting right there, so I stand up side of the man, man. Stop it, man. Stop it, Steve, man. You're a big man, man. Stop it, man. Shit. Your Vice in the city. Rose, you remember Vice in the city?
I only him
Now
say,
use him.
Pussy clad.
Man, I sent him a foreign yet.
Who?
The woman who married to, I sent him a foreign yet.
Why? It's a long story. She been left him.
No.
She left him for one woman. Bumbo clad. She peng there. Peng, big up yourself. Drop a bomb.
Suck over there in your chat.
I see him name pop up, I not see him not type nothing. Oh, him over here, man. Suka and Pete over here too.
No, I'm afraid them not, you see me?
Yeah, man, nigga them, the man.
They're not too trusted though.
Well, that's how you go, my youth. This is to them that tell me someone that talk about American, talk about our system. I say, look at the American money, it's in God we trust. All right, then. That will show you say not trust nobody, that the matter if I tell you.
Yeah, trust
Yo,
God.
Rose.
All right. So, Rose, you not tell Entourage for my party?
Now, fuck up, I have to tell him that.
Oh, Entourage, you forward for you?
I must have forward the crazy in can when Rose done him.
And block him.
Yeah, no, you're definitely for black him for true. Because if you tell you over, you have a car send call Entourage. Like, what the fuck?
She like Entourage, you know.
Yeah, she like him, yeah.
What?
I'm a charge him, man.
No, we don't like
Charge
him. We
him.
don't take for you like him in another way there.
Don't know in that way there, boy. You like it.
I would have man there. That's
That's
so
so
cool.
yeah.
The Burberry, man. The Burberry.
You see. And, yo.
Burberry.
Jano Shah.
Kayla, what go on? Where's the everyday wear? Hey. Just a whoop of mileage on it.
Lord man, my youth.
If I know the shots are the hot.
Damn.
One of the shots are the hot.
But one thing I know say real look, if you never really have been wash out and mash up.
That mash up long time.
Yeah, real for true.
Yeah, Kayla, man.
Pressure.
A good youth still. But so could that day there, that shots with that color sneakers, you kind of half, brother. That dressing a kind of half, Suko.
See, Suko feel like say the Burberry can go with everything.
Suko, me nah lie, that dressing there, that's a half your fuck. Look at it, the man shots, man sneakers.
Yeah, me see it. Him feel like it can go with everything.
Yeah, dog.
Alright, you see you know, Lava.
I corner.
You feel like say Alexander McQueen sneakers can go with everything.
Yes. Me a solid color. That one a solid color in my van.
From what day you give me second hand embarrassment.
With what?
Because you know stop. You put on the purple, what them call it? Purple jeans them and the sneakers them.
Purple brand.
Sneakers them. And you make people a video from your head to your toe like say you have on some fly shit.
Tell them the purple brand.
And that's not enough fly.
Come on, Steve. What the fuck you talking about?
Not fly, bro.
Come on, Steve. You know you cannot try, see, but you cannot really get a burp.
Yeah.
At least you try, see. You try. We do it, try, see. See some new shirt drop, you see?
Eh?
Some new one drop.
Right.
Yeah. Cause we just seen the dashiki something look while ago when I see nothing.
Right.
I'm a see it, I'm not gonna say it.
Watch you now. Alright, watch you now.
Yeah.
What me I try to say is this, Lava.
Yeah.
You dress like a mannequin.
Why you say that?
You dress in a uniform style?
Right.
No, but Steve, if I understand, me like what me like.
But it look like you like it because it depends on the mannequin.
I never seen nothing from a mannequin. Remember, Steve, me and an entourage with DJ Kid dressing. I would just say that.
Stop.
Lava, that doesn't even make no sense.
I would just say that look while ago.
Lava, that didn't even make sense. Yo, Lincoln, I hear something them that?
Yeah.
Oh, so you know hook it up. Why you not hook it up so we can hear it good?
Louder.
Oh, you're not hearing it?
You will hear about it low.
You hear it, but it does sound like it like a farish. But Lava, that doesn't make no sense.
Okay. You know what I try? Say like him not try. If it work, right, Steve?
Right.
Baby.
You don't really like what you call him. You just say Steve. You don't really shout out Steve. You don't really like that part there.
Yo, Lava, why you forward over here and put Rose on the Steve program? My name Lincoln.
But your real name was Steve.
But my middle name was Steve.
Come on. Yeah, okay. So the big deal. Your name Steve.
But Lincoln is my real name too.
But everybody know my name doing.
Exactly.
Right. And what entourage real name again?
Damien.
Alright then.
The fish were there last Friday.
Hey, move.
Where that little bisexual just say? Come in the
No,
like
like the fish read that Friday.
which fish then on Friday?
What I do?
You see, you know, you're coming like a fish expert, my youth. Which fish you talking about?
The big thick nigga in a Friday we want to fuck
You
off.
don't know no man ticking on Friday, brother. Why?
Me have to make it out. Please don't give up on yourself. Have faith in your dreams and you want to believe it.
One and everybody on the live. I just want to take this time. I want to big up my daughter again. She graduated today with bachelor's. You know, yes, certified, yes, registered nurse.
If a band for the one.
Congratulations.
RN for my daughter. RN. Yeah, Miss Nurse. RN.
Congratulations.
With bachelor's. Remember that. Big up my daughter. Nana, big up. Daddy love you and thank you very much, Nana. Make your father proud.
Right.
What do you mean co-host?
Me tell them already. Only Trinity me used to go. I'm not afraid to say it. Me never graduate with no subject. When my kids them bright, you fuck.
Right.
How you go, Steve?
But I time I used to go John Mills too.
I used to go John Mills. I used to go John Mills to get dunce. In the last part, I go Trinity and get extra dunce.
Right.
Can I get the foreign things them? You understand me? Yes.
Yeah.
See, me just start take up this dressing thing. I want to look good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it go.
Yeah.
Congratulations again, my daughter.
Big up, big up.
See the boss in there at. You see the I remember the at the link bumbuckler.
Yeah, we miss weird things them. They love the
It's a
free
post.
clothes.
So it's nothing. So where's you going tonight here?
Nothing, me I go outside, go do something.
You go road?
Yeah.
You know big up Soko.
Something no, me just call it Uber.
Big up Soko. Rose, big up Soko no.
Suko big up your damn self.
Them can't come in a box.
But if you send a request, you can come in a small box, you can pop up in a small box.
Make him fall in a small box.
Soko send us some request in a small guess, a small box.
Antarad and Sukom. I need that road.
And be safe out there, yeah?
Okay, I will.
Alright then, later. You
Yes, the mother feeling.
Becky,
Mommy
Reese, Mommy Reese,
Appreciate it.
Mommy Reese,